Over 300 healthcare workers from Clarendon, St. Elizabeth and Manchester were honored for their work during the COVID-19 pandemic. Officials from the Southern Regional Health Authority say this is part of Healthcare Workers Awareness Month. Jamaica Maitland has this report.
Where COVID-19 is concerned, everyone has a story, including the doctors and nurses who, although tasked with taking care of the sick, were also falling ill to the virus.
Breath is so important. That's why when we are here to praise God, we don't waste it enough. We're going at it enough. Hey! Look here. When I realized that I almost died, I said, Lord, this is the last thing I'm going to do. The last breath, I will be praising you.
On hula hoops is the Regional Technical Director for Sarah, Dr. Vitilius Holder. She shared that this was her coping mechanism when things got rough.
2 times they bet me give them my resignation. Things were so rough, and I know for you guys things were rough, but we kept going.
But despite the issues, it's felt that the country's healthcare system is better off as a result of the pandemic.
We now have a formal, established staff welfare program, one that which is a line item in our budget and an established post for a welfare coordinator. We have increased our isolation capacities. Earlier we said at the beginning of the pandemic we had 2. Now we have over 100 beds, including a 40-bed field hospital. We have expanded the use of technology in more of our operations.
At the same time, some of the healthcare workers say they will be emotionally scarred for a while, having lost close friends and colleagues to the virus. 7 healthcare workers from the region, Manchester, Clarendon and St. Elizabeth, died during the heights of the pandemic. They've been hailed as martyrs. Their families were presented with plaques in their memory. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.